So, Rob, I've been meaning to ask you, your time as a prosecutor, has it helped you handle the medical malpractice complex cases that you handle today?
Without a doubt, man. I mean, you know just as well as I do. Being a prosecutor is like we used to say, it's like drinking from a fire hose. And so
Mm.
there's so much information. You have little experience, and yet you've got serious cases to handle. So much information coming at you, and yet you've got to kind of rise to the occasion and handle these cases. And so in the med mal world, each case is different. The medicine is different, and kind of the issues are different in most of these cases. And so you've got to learn it quickly, pick it up, and then if you have to try the case, you've got to kind of rely on those old prosecutor skills and dust them off, which
And
is
you
great.
just tried a complex case earlier this week. You finished after a week and a half. Is that
We
right?
we did we did. It was a complex case out
Congratulations.
of St. Augustine in St. Johns County, and fortunately we were victorious, which is awesome. Wonderful clients in that case who deserve it so much. So we're super pumped up for them.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Well deserved.
Well, what do you take? I mean, I know you're handling a lot of sort of catastrophic injury cases down in Miami. What do you kind of take from your experience as a prosecutor?
Well, there's certainly a lot of overlap, like you alluded to earlier, being in the courtroom, drinking through a fire hose, just trying to deal with the volume and the magnitude of evidence and the witnesses and the different motion practice. So, without a doubt, starting our career as a prosecutor has absolutely helped us balance all of that. And you and I were both former homicide prosecutors, so I know you and I both deal with catastrophic injuries with wrongful death. So that's kind of similar back to our old stomping grounds when we handled those types of cases. But there's no comparison. Lawyers who started off in the criminal field as a public defender or as a prosecutor, and we're in front of a judge every day, handling countless cases. It absolutely helps us now in our career.
Do you feel like you're able to translate the experience you had dealing with victims of crime to the personal injury realm, where you're kind of fighting for the victims of negligence generally?
Absolutely. They're both victims of criminal activity or victims of negligence of someone else, just a different type of legal field with a different type of recourse.
Right.
Of course, when we were prosecutors, we sought jail time because that's the only recourse available, or probation or some type of boot camp rehabilitation program. And here, the only real recourse we have in civil worlds is a financial compensation. So we continue to fight for victims, just in a different arena.
Yeah, and that's what I love about it. It's fantastic.
Absolutely. Well, Rob,